Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Maribel Onya, 35 years of age and recently residing at Mercedes Heights subdivision in Alameda City, Philippines. I am a single mother with one daughter living with me. I was born on March 2, 1982. I am a high school graduate and I took caregiver training program and a short course as a hotel restaurant services. I had a 4 years experience as a caregiver in Israel since October 30, 2006 up to April 2, 2010. My duties there was to taking care of elderly women. I do cooking, cleaning, helping them to have a bath, giving them their medicine at the right time. Since this is my first time to come to Singapore, I am willing to obey and learn your culture and to learn how to cook Chinese food. I can also take care of babies and children, do car wash and simple gardening. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, if you choose me, I will do my best to love and care of my employer and your family, and I promise to obey your rules. Thank you, ma'am, and